Hey there, nature explorers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of plants. But these aren't your average daisies or daffodils. We're talking about plants that pack a punch, the kind that are as deadly as they are beautiful. But fear not, we're here to guide you on this adventure, safely from the other side of the screen. As we journey into the realm of the world's most poisonous plants, it's important to remember, never touch, taste, or handle any unknown plants without proper knowledge and guidance. Especially for our younger explorers out there, ensure you have an adult with you while watching this video, or if you ever come across any of these plants in the wild. Now, with safety reminders in place, let's get started on our botanical journey. First up, we have the infamous Belladonna, also known as Deadly Nightshade. Did you know that just a few of its berries could be fatal if ingested? Yes, we're talking about the infamous Belladonna, or as some prefer to call it, the Deadly Nightshade. This plant is a master of deception, with its dark glossy berries and bell-shaped flowers that might lead one to think it's harmless, even inviting. But don't be fooled by its allure. Belladonna is native to Europe, North Africa, and Western Asia, and it thrives in shady, moist areas. The plant's name is derived from the Italian words Belladonna, which mean beautiful woman. This name came about because in the past, women used drops made from the plant to dilate their pupils, a look that was considered attractive. But let's not get ideas, folks. The entire plant is poisonous, but the berries, especially when they are black and ripe, are the most toxic. They contain tropane alkaloids, which can cause hallucinations, dilated pupils, sensitivity to light, blurred vision, headaches, confusion, and even death in severe cases. So while those shiny black berries may look tempting, remember that they are a deadly cocktail of toxins. Belladonna has a long, dark history. It was used in the Middle Ages for making poison-tipped arrows, and witches were said to have used it in their brews. Today, in controlled doses, it's used in certain medicines and treatments, but it's not something you should experiment with at home. So, the next time you're out exploring, remember the Belladonna. It's a reminder of the paradox of nature, that something so beautiful can also be so deadly. Next on our list is the Castor Bean plant. But before we dive into that, let's take a moment to appreciate the deceptive beauty of the Belladonna one more time. Just remember, always look, never touch, and certainly never taste. Its seeds contain a deadly poison called ricin. This is the notorious castor bean plant, a paradox of nature that is as deadly as it is striking. Native to the Mediterranean region, Eastern Africa and India, the castor bean plant has spread far and wide, its glossy foliage and vibrant red flowers adding a splash of color to landscapes. Yet, hidden within its beauty lies a deadly secret. The seeds of the castor bean plant, which are often mistaken for beans due to their size and shape, are among the most poisonous naturally occurring substances on Earth. They contain ricin, a toxic compound that, if ingested or inhaled, can be fatal. Interestingly, the plant's toxicity doesn't stop it from having practical uses. Castor oil, a product derived from the plant, is widely used in numerous industries, including cosmetics, food, and pharmaceuticals. The oil itself is safe because the toxic ricin protein is denatured during the oil extraction process. However, the plant's seeds, if ingested, can cause severe poisoning. Symptoms can include abdominal pain, vomiting, diarrhea, and in severe cases, seizures and even death. It's important to note that all parts of the plant are toxic, but the seeds contain the highest concentration of ricin. Despite its lethal nature, the castor bean plant is often grown for ornamental purposes due to its striking appearance. Its large, glossy leaves can reach up to a meter in length, and its flowers, usually red or pink, are borne in clusters atop tall spikes, making it an attractive addition to gardens. But remember, this is one plant that should be admired from a safe distance. So, while the castor bean plant may be a stunner, it's a potent reminder that not everything in nature is as benign as it seems. It's a plant of contradictions, beautiful yet deadly, useful yet dangerous. And that's what makes our exploration of the plant kingdom so fascinating. Moving on to the beautiful oleander. It's often found in gardens and has lovely flowers, but every part of this plant is highly toxic. That's right, we're talking about the oleander, a plant as deadly as it is beautiful. Seems like an oxymoron, doesn't it? Native to the Mediterranean and Asia, the oleander is a popular ornamental plant, often adorning gardens and parks with its vibrant, showy flowers that range in colors from white and pink to red. It's a fast-growing evergreen shrub that can reach up to 20 feet tall. making it a common choice for landscaping and creating privacy screens. But don't let its beauty fool you. Every part of the oleander plant, from its glossy leaves to its slender branches and stunning flowers, contains a deadly cocktail of toxins, including oleandrin and ricin. These substances can cause a range of harmful effects, from digestive issues to heart problems, if the plant is ingested or even if its smoke is inhaled. Interestingly, despite its toxicity, the oleander has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Ancient texts document its use for treating everything from dermatitis to snake bites. However, these practices are incredibly risky and should not be attempted without expert knowledge and guidance. Even handling the plant can be dangerous. The sap of the oleander can cause skin irritations, and if it gets into your eyes, it can cause severe pain and potentially even blindness. So, if you ever come across this plant in a garden or a park, remember to admire its beauty from a safe distance. Despite its potential harm, the oleander continues to be a beloved plant due to its resilience and stunning beauty. It's a reminder of the duality of nature, beautiful yet deadly, captivating yet dangerous. Let's not forget about the pretty but perilous datura, also known as devil's trumpet. But before we move on to that, remember, when it comes to the oleander, it's look but don't touch, and definitely don't taste. Opening. Its trumpet-shaped flowers may seem enchanting, but they contain powerful toxins. The world of plants is a paradox of beauty and danger, and the datura, with its trumpet-shaped flowers and spiky seed pods, is a perfect example of this dichotomy. Also known as devil's trumpet, this plant is as alluring as it is lethal. Datura is a genus of 9 species of poisonous flowering plants belonging to the family Solanaceae. They are native to Mexico and the southwestern United States, but have since spread to other parts of the world. These plants are known for their large, fragrant flowers, which typically come in shades of white, yellow, pink, or pale purple. The flowers are most notable for their distinct trumpet-like shape, which gives the plant its common name. But don't let the datura's beauty fool you. Every part of this plant is highly toxic, from its leaves and flowers to its seeds and roots. The plant contains several dangerous alkaloids, including atropine, scopolamine, and hyoscyamine. These powerful toxins can cause hallucinations, delirium, and even death if ingested or inhaled. Despite its toxicity, the datura has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Its leaves and seeds are often used in Ayurvedic medicine to treat asthma and other respiratory conditions. However, due to the plant's high toxicity, it must be used with extreme caution. The datura's toxicity is not limited to humans. It can also be harmful to animals. Pets, livestock, and wildlife can all experience severe poisoning if they ingest any part of the plant. So, if you come across a datura in your travels, remember to admire its beauty from a safe distance. As we venture further into our exploration of the world's most poisonous plants, let's not forget to respect these dangerous beauties for what they are, testaments to nature's power and complexity. Closing. Last but not least, we have the wolf's bane. Legends say it was used to poison arrows by ancient hunters. We're talking about none other than the wolf's bane, also known as aconitum. This plant, with its vibrant purple helmet-shaped flowers, is as striking as it is dangerous. It's not just a pretty face in your garden, it has a dark side. Every part of this plant, from the roots to the leaves and flowers, is brimming with a deadly toxin called aconitine. This potent poison can cause severe health issues, even death if ingested or absorbed through the skin. In ancient times, it was believed that wolfsbane could ward off werewolves. Fanciful as that may sound, it's a testament to the plant's notorious reputation. So, while wolfsbane's unique appearance may pique your curiosity, it's critical to remember, this is not a plant to play with. Remember, guys, while these plants are intriguing, they're not for touching or tasting. Always admire them from a safe distance and never try to eat or handle them without proper knowledge and guidance. We've journeyed together through the enchanting yet perilous world of the belladonna, castor bean, oleander, datura, and wolfsbane. Each of these plants holds a certain allure with their vibrant colors and unique shapes, but let's not forget their deadly nature. Their toxins can cause harm, even fatal consequences if not handled with utmost caution. This is why it's vital to respect the power of nature and always approach it with a sense of wonder, but also a healthy dose of caution. Remember, every plant has its place in the world's diverse ecosystems, even the most poisonous ones. Their existence contributes to the intricate balance of our planet, reminding us of the incredible diversity and complexity of life on Earth. Thanks for joining our exploration today. Stay curious, stay safe, and keep exploring the wonders of nature.